Hi everyone, my name is João Leite and welcome back to another Data in the Wild episode hosted by Data Meaning. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to the channel below and click the bell to turn on notifications to be the first to know every time we upload a new video. Today we are going to be talking about custom visualizations in Power BI. Now, here in the visualizations panel, I can click here on the three dots and I have two options to get more visualizations. The first one is get more visuals, where a window will open inside my Power BI and here I can select what I want to add. So for example, the word cloud, I can click here on add, I can wait just a bit, it will download and import the visual. Then when I click OK, I can see here it's in a different line from the rest of them. I have a word cloud. If I add this to my window here, it will behave the same as other visualizations and I can include here what I want. So let me check. Put group here. Nope. Names. Okay. You can put names here and then let's use size for values. So you can see I have a custom visualization. If I want to remove this, I can exclude this here, click again the three dots and remove a visual. Here I can select what I want to remove and click remove. Then it's gone. Now, the second way to add is from a visual from a file. Here we have to import a custom visual and receive a warning because the visuals inside Power BI are already verified, so they are secure to use. If we import a custom file, Power BI doesn't know where it comes from, so it's just a caution alert. You can import, and here I don't have anything yet, so let's download a custom file. I can open appsourcemicrosoft.com and come to the marketplace for Power BI visuals. Inside here, I'll have mostly the same things I have inside the Get More Visuals from Power BI. But if you have other sources for custom visualizations, it would work too. Here I'll download the radar chart, so I click on get it now, I agree. Now I just have to wait and it will download here, the package. Custom visualizations packages come in this format, PBI Vis. Now back here in Power BI I can import the visual from a file, I can click import, select the visualization I want, click open, then I have to wait a bit and it's now here, the same thing as the word chart. Now I can come here, I can get data I want and then just drop it down and make it work. Here. So that's how you add and remove custom visualizations from Power BI. Thank you for watching and have a great day. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe to know when future videos are posted. Thank you for watching.